Grade 9 Project 2. Our team are TD9 10, TD9 12, TD9 22, and TD9 28. My first cooking experience. The day my mother was sick, I have to cook. The day was my first time cooking. I looked into the fridge. I saw tomatoes and other vegetables and cut in it. That's when I thought of frying carp. After that, I washed the fish, cut it into pieces and did it in flour powder. At the time, I remember how to fry fish with cut wine, which I used to learn in Myanmar when I was a child. Then heat the pan and put in the piece of fish first. Then, when the wine came out from the fish, it touches the heat of the pot and the smell came out. Then, my mother came out of the bedroom and quickly turned on the pan. She asked me, "Why did that?" When I told her about how you used to fry fish with cut wine when I was young, my mother laughed. After that, my mother told me the steps and went back into the room. I put wine in the pan and fried the fish again. Then I put the chopped tomatoes and spices in the pot for a few minutes. After adding the fish, add parsley. After a while, when I told my mother that breakfast was ready, she came out of the room and looked at me with a smile. Finally, then our family had breakfast. I was very happy with my first fish tip. Thank you for watching our project.